Yo, what's up, baby? It's your boy Ollie. I'm about to do another video on how to wash your dreads. I know I did one before, and in that one, I was using all sorts of like baking soda and stuff. That's still okay if you want to do a really deep clean, but since then, I've started using Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and that actually works just as well for like the everyday. Well, not every day. I wash my dreads probably about like twice a week, maybe once a week, depending on like how sweaty it's been and whatnot. But you just kind of like feel it out. I don't want to wash it too much because the more you wash your dreads and like the more you like put soap in them and stuff, it's just like more gunk in there. Um, and you want to keep as much stuff out of your dreads as possible. But I do get my dreads wet pretty much every time I take a shower. And when I do wash them, I just take this stuff and I put a little bit in my palms. I roll it around, and then I just roll it through each dread real quick. And I kind of like squeeze it into the dread. And then once I get it along all the different dreads up here and in the back and whatnot, then I'll put like some in my palms, and I just make sure to roll it around and kind of massage it into the scalp and all those spots in between my dreads. Now, if you have like super thick dreads, you might not have as much of those like spots in between to worry about. It'll mostly just be like massaging down to your roots. But I have like naturally super like thin, fine hair, so the fact that I even like have dreads is incredible. And by the way, if I can get dreads, like pretty much anyone can. So if you want dreads, you can do it, BB. I know, for real, for real. So yeah, just make sure that you washing your dreads fairly frequently. And then my dreads are pretty thin as far as like they're not super thick or anything. If you have really thick dreads, you're gonna want to make sure that you like blow dry or like do something to make sure that those dreads get all the way dry. Because that's one of the issues where like people get smelly dreads, not from not washing them so much as like washing them and them getting wet, and then the wetness kind of causing mildew from them not drying properly. So just make sure they're drying properly. If they're small, like kind of thin like mine, then you should be good. Anyways, that's how I wash my dreads. I love you, baby. Make sure you're taking care of your shit. And by the way, now, so like last time, I had rubber bands and all that in my shit, and I was using product like I was using my locking gel. Now I'm not doing any of that. It's super natural when I locked it, and then like, so like I actually let it come all the way undone, and then I locked it up again, super natural, just wherever they were. It wasn't sectioned out or anything. No product, no nothing, and they're doing so much better. So I'm gonna do another video that I'm gonna post about how to twist them up and how to keep them looking good, kind of maintenance them. But for right now, this is how to wash them. So, thank you, BB. Have a good rest of your day. I love you.